Hi, how are you doing? In this video we're gonna explain how to create the carrot game. When we click run, we're having a bunny here. When we click space, he will jump and catch the carrot. The score here will be increased by 1 as long as the rabbit will get in touch with the carrot. First of all, we're going to create a game lab from here. Rename your project as the carrot game. Step number 1 will be setting your animation. I'm gonna set my animation. I need the bunny. Okay, this one. And I need a carrot from here. Okay, this one is fine. For the coding, we're gonna start by setting up our sprite. So var sprite. My first sprite will be named it as a bunny. It will be here. I need to check the location from the game in 200 for the x, 320 for the y, so I'm gonna change this one to be 320, meaning I need my bunny to be here. Okay, so set your sprite or set animation. Again, change sprite name to be bunny, and from the drop down menu select the carrot. To display the rabbit on the screen, you need to add draw sprite function inside the draw loop, the green one. Run. Sorry, I selected the carrot. I should select the bunny. Reset and run. Okay, I'm having my rabbit here, but it's too big. To make it smaller, from sprites, select sprite dot scale. Change the word sprite to be bunny, and type here 0.5, meaning I'm gonna make the bunny smaller to be half of its original size. 0.5, making the bunny as half of its original size. Reset and run. Okay, his size is okay. Then I'm gonna set the carrot. Okay, and set animation. Again, the carrot. Select the carrot from the drop down menu here. Actually, for the location of the carrot, it should be in 400x, meaning it's outside the scene here. Okay, the final x value is 390 or 93. I need it to be outside the scene, and for the y, I'm gonna make it a random value. So every time we're gonna run the program, the carrot will take a different. The minimum value of the y will be 50, and the maximum value will be 350. So 50 and 350, meaning it will be from like here. This is 52 for the y, and it will be 35 like here. So it will be from here to here. Reset and run. Okay, I am having my carrot outside. Again, it's here. Our carrot is standing outside the scene. If we need to let her enter the scene, we need to add sprite dot velocity x, as we're gonna move it from the right to the left on the x-axis. So we're gonna select velocity dot x of the carrot. Okay, we're gonna move it from the right to the left, meaning I'm going to decrease the value of x. So carrot dot velocity x minus 8. Okay, reset and run. It's moving, but it's making like كده an illusion as we didn't add a background, so add a background here. Our background will be, now our carrot is moving from the left to the right. Okay, we need to have like an F statement. So when the carrot went out of the scene, reset and run, it's getting in the scene and moving out. We need to have an F statement or a condition, so when the carrot is out of the scene, it should be back again. So from controls, we're gonna add an F statement here. Okay, the F statement will be if the condition will be if the X value of the carrot is here meaning it's outside the scene, so the last value of X or the minimum value of X is 0. If it went out, the X value will be less than 0. Okay, so from here, less than, okay, the sprite dot X of the carrot less than for example, make it minus 25 to make sure it should be outside. Okay, if it went out and its X value is less than 25, what will happen? I need to return it back here, and X value equal 400 and a random value for the Y 50 to 300, and then the velocity will be repeated again to be minus 8. Run. Okay, it went out. Now it's back here again and it will move again. When it went out, it will be here, taking a random value for the X value from 50 to 350. Okay, so my condition here, if the X value of the carrot is less than minus 25, meaning it's outside of the scene, it will be back to the original location. X equals 400 and Y equal random number from 50 to 350, and my velocity will be X minus velocity X equals minus 8, so it will move again from the right to the left. Now I need to add like the green square we're having here and the score here. For the green part here, it will be for the green space here under the rapid. I added a rectangle starting on X equals 0, Y equals 350. The width should be 400 to fill in the entire screen, and the height will be 50. Okay, now it's turn for the bunny. When we click space, it should jump. Okay, and then it need to return. So we're going to add an F statement here. First of all, I need to make sure my rabbit is here meaning it's in Y value greater than 350. Before start doing anything, I want to make sure that the rabbit is here. So from math, I'm gonna drag greater than, then from sprites, sprite dot Y of the bunny is greater than, make it greater than or equal. We're gonna make it greater than or equal. So greater than or equal the sprite of Y of the bunny greater than or equal 320. Okay, So I'm sure the rabbit is standing here. Then inside that if statement, we're going to place another if statement. So when the space bar is clicked, so from world, key went down, and from the drop down menu we're gonna select a space, and the difference between key down and key went down, you need to keep on pressing the space, and key down once will execute the action. Okay, you can try them by your hand to fill the difference between them. So we're gonna select key went down. When key went down, I need the rabbit to go up. Going up will, yes, decrease the y value. So from sprite, we're going to add sprite dot velocity with, yes, a minus. Sorry, I need to add a minus value for velocity y, so it will be minus 8, for example. Okay, reset and run. Click space, he will jump and he will go out. Okay, to fix the problem of going out, we're going to add another if statement here. Okay, it should be outside the if statement of the y greater than 330. اوكي، احنا we choose 330 عشان نتأكد ان الرابط موجود هنا، فخلاص انا متأكدة ان هو موجود. وبعد كده هعمل if statement تانية عشان لما اعمل كليك على السبيس اقلل الفيلوسيتي واخليه يجمب ويطلع فوق. طب هو بيطلع فوق بيخرج بره السين خالص، انا عايزة ارجعه جوه السين تاني، فانا محتاج if statement تانية خالص تخلي الرابط ده ينزل، meaning ان هو to be dropped down، يعني الفيلوسيتي should be with a plus sign. هو امتى المفروض يرجع؟ لما يطلع فوق، لما يبقى هنا دي معناها ان ال y for example 360. so if the y is 80، يعني هو وصل هنا عند البوينت اللي فيها الماوس، هخلي الفيلوسيتي بتاعته ترجع تاني. okay so f from math less than sprite dot y of the bunny less than 80، يعني هو هنا وأقل فوق. less than 80. okay, less than 80. what will happen? the velocity will increase, meaning velocity dot y of the bunny will be for example 8. هو هيقوم راجع تاني أول ما يوصل هنا أو فوق كمان الفيلوسيتي تزيد فيقوم راجع تاني. reset ورن. تعالوا نعمل jump اهو تمام، هيبتدي يرجع تاني بس هو هينزل تحت خالص. الحل ان انا اجي هنا عند key went down if the bunny dot velocity y minus 8، يعني if the space bar is clicked he will be up. if not هخلي velocity of y equal 0. في الحالة دي هيرجع يقف هنا تاني لان انا خلاص مش عاملة كليك على السبيس بار. from here okay make it like 8 sorry 0. okay reset and run. up when he's here he will be back and stand up here again. reset run jump, he's moving up and then back here. okay, finally we need to have the score displayed here. Having a score meaning we need to create a variable, and we said before a variable is a space in the computer memory where we can add and delete values. يعني I'm having كده like a counter or a box in the computer memory where I'm going to add values and remove values. I need to declare a variable, so from variables var x equals. okay, the variable name instead of x will be score. Okay, the starting value of the variable is 0, meaning the starting value of the variable is 0, meaning the variable now is empty, nothing inside it. We still have an error as we declared the variable and we didn't use it. Score is defined, but it's not coded in your program. We just defined it. خلاص, we created it without using it. To use it, we need an if statement from here. If the sprites, the rabbit and the bunny get in touch, so sprite dot, so if the bunny get in touch with the rabbit, sorry, with the carrot, here, the value inside the variable score should be increased by 1. So from variables, we're gonna drag, assign a value from here, and instead of x, we're gonna make it score. We need to copy to make sure they are from the same format. Copy score here. Okay. Okay, here I need to add an equation with plus, so score plus 1, meaning score equals score plus 1. So every time the rabbit will get in touch with the carrot, the value of the variable will be increased by 1. Reset and run. Okay, so nothing happened as we didn't display the score here. We need to display the score. To do it, we need to add a text here for the word score as we're having here. When we click run, we have the word score and then the variable itself, which will be increased every time the rabbit and the carrot will get in touch. So from drawing, drag a text. Okay. Actually, I need a fill color here. Okay, with yellow, and then a text size. I'm gonna make it like 20, and then add your size, and then add, sorry, your text. Okay, I'm gonna name it score. This will be the label. Okay, the score. So change it to be score and add the 2 dots here. It will be displayed here in 0 and 15. Run. Okay, we're having it here. Then we need to display the score almost here, the variable itself. Okay, and x value equals 68 and y equals 8. So again, drag a text from here. Okay, this time instead of adding a text, we're going to remove this and we're gonna add the name of the variable. Okay, so the value of the variable will be displayed on the text. Okay, as we said, it will be 68 and y equals like 8. Okay, to display it here, after the 2 dots. Reset and run. Okay, it starts with 0. We need to make it like the moving down a little bit. So we're gonna make it like 10 مثلا and try كمان نيجي مثلا نخليها 820. Okay, this is fine. Jump. We didn't catch. Okay, as you can see here, when we click run and the rabbit touches the carrot, the value of the score will be increased by like 19 and again 19. To solve that problem and increase the value of the score only by 1, we're gonna add two more codes here, and the if statement of the bunny is touching the carrot. We need to return the carrot back to its original location, 0 for the x, 400 for the x, and the y will be a random number from 50 to 350, and definitely increasing the score by 1. So sprite x dot sprite of the carrot. Okay, we're gonna copy and paste, easier. Okay, to be like 400. And for the y, we're having a random number by 50 to 350. Okay, reset. Okay. Again. 1. Didn't catch this one. Okay. I. And so on. Now the value of the score will be increased only by 1 for each touch between the mouse and the rabbit and the bunny. Thank you so much. By the way, this game could be your project or trimester 2 project. Check the requirements of the project. They are published now on Coursera with